Hey everyone, Quincy here from JPS Canada, the GTA's most trusted provider in retrofit fan coils and high-rise HVAC system. We're here today in Toronto's beautiful Leaside neighborhood, where the owner of a condo unit needed to retrofit their fan coil unit due to its age. I'm going to show you how important it is to make sure you hire the right HVAC contractor who specializes in the equipment you have in order to do the work in your home, as well as to educate you so you can really protect yourself. Not to say the contractor here had bad intentions, but there are a few telltale signs that they are in over their heads. Now, this resident contacted a local HVAC company. They came in, did their thing, got paid, and that's that. But, well, needless to say, it's not good. Now we're going to show you why. With a fan coil retrofit, you are essentially removing all the components and stripping the entire cabinet and replacing it with brand new parts. So, while it may look the same from the outside, the inside is sparkling new. That's just not the case here. First problem we found is the insulation. The old insulation was not cleaned properly, so the new insulation that they installed is not sticking. We also see that the pipe insulation is not wrapped properly, which may cause a lot of condensation and eventually mold. Secondly, the wiring. We can see here that the wiring is not wrapped properly. Also, it's not clean after installation. Thirdly, we see here that the drain pan, it was not replaced. It was just partly painted. The worst thing about this is, if we hadn't come in here for a separate project, the unit owner would have been none the wiser until they experienced poor air quality and possible unit failure in a short time. Seeing this breaks our hearts. So we decided to step in and help this homeowner out. JPS Canada will be providing a new basic fan coil retrofit and installation free of charge. We're going to do that now so we can show you what a proper retrofit should look like. The new basic fan coil unit is in, and here are some signs that the job was done right this time. The unit has been thoroughly cleaned, the insulation is properly pinned, and the pipes are completely wrapped. The drain pan is new, and the insulation underneath is better secure. Wiring is neatly secure and organized. Now, how can you avoid something similar happening to you? First off, make sure you are using a contractor that specializes in your type of HVAC system, whether it be fan coil or heat pump system. In this case, it's fan coils. Second, get more than one quote. Run away from the sales tactics to pressure you to accept a limited time offer. Third, if you're getting quotes on your own, make sure your property management company provides you with a clear scope of work to present to potential contractors. And that's it. Once again, I'm Quincy from JPS Canada, and we hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to check out all of our educational videos on our YouTube channel and website at www.jpscanada.com. Stay cool.